I did come third last year though, but I cheated.
There must be a scientific reason as to why I work far better when I'm in a coffee shop than when I'm at home. Just far more productive. Anyway, I need to nip to the bank and then get home. Just Julian Seagal's coming around to try some of those saxophone necks.
It's the kids' school sports day. I'm not sure how much I'll be able to film of it, but as Katie's ill, she was supposed to be doing it this year, but I've got to do it now. We're during a massive drought at the moment in England, as I've said before on current vlogs, but one of the things that's been happening is because of the dryness in the ground, lots of old Bronze Age sites and some things even older have been revealed through the ground. I'll show you some pictures now. So where the church is in Whittlesford, which I've shown you before, used to be an old Bronze Age settlement. So whilst this sports day is overrunning and my kids have finished their races, I thought I'd send the drone up really quickly and see if the dry ground in Whittlesford reveals anything. It may not, it may be completely empty and nothing to see, but while I've got half an hour free and it's not rained for a while, I thought let's whack the drone up and see what we can find. Now, I'm not an archaeologist, and this tree behind me is causing all sorts of problems because it keeps cutting the signal out. A bit different. I'm going to have to refly the drone again now because this tree keeps causing all sorts of problems. Plus the fact I've got a couple of vintage aircraft flying around, which means I've got to... Excuse me. So as I said, I'm not an archaeologist, so I'm not quite sure what I was seeing there. Very, very dry, and most importantly, it got me out of embarrassing myself in the parents' race. I did come third last year though, but I cheated. So anyway, we're going to see if this sports day's finished yet, because school should have finished 20 minutes ago, and school keeps doing this at the moment, overrunning.
Now, there are not many things I miss about playing wedding gigs, but one of the things I do miss is blasting through the standards, what I used to call the A to Z gigs, or the alphabetical gigs, where you basically open the reel book either at A or at Z and work your way backwards through some of the ones you know, some of the ones you don't know, and kind of play with no pressure. Maybe that's probably a vlog in itself, talking about playing with no pressure and wedding gigs and all those kind of things. But you know, just kind of blasting through great tunes like Have You Met Miss Jones, which I don't play often enough. I used to have a nice duo gig in Kettering with a piano player, and that was one of those gigs where we used to just grab the reel book out and just blast through some of the songs that you don't normally play on sort of maybe jazz club. Anyway, always good to be able to practice, especially that bridge. Really interesting today. I'll talk more about it in the review, but it's really interesting. Julian's quite a shy guy, didn't want to do anything on camera, but it's interesting when Julian tried particularly the redwood neck. Hope I've got that right, not called it the wrong way around. Redwood, yeah. When he tried both the necks really on his balanced action, they certainly brightened the sound up a little bit. But on the Mark VI, it darkened it up a bit. Similar kind of effect that I was getting with them. Anyway, I am going to review that for you later on. Don't forget, I'm going to do a Q&A vlog next, so fire those questions in. And I don't know whether I'm going to find anything on that drone footage. That's kind of, if you're an archaeologist and you see something, tell me. It would be interesting to know those kind of things. Anyway, make sure you check out my last vlog here. This is what I was up to this time last year. Please do hit that subscribe button if you don't already, because it makes a huge difference to the videos I can make. Once I hit 10,000, which is not far off now, YouTube will give me all sorts of extra free stuff to make videos even better for you guys. So if you want these vlogs to get even better, tell your friends about it, tell everybody about it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.